this video, we will add main fragment and detail fragment as destination in the destination graph. I am in the design mode for nav_graph.xml. Click on new destination. Select fragment_main. Again click on new destination and select fragment_detail. So now we have two destinations, main and detail fragment, added to our navigation graph. You see this home icon to the left of main fragment that indicates the start destination. Let's check this in the text mode. Two fragments, main and detail, have been added to the navigation graph, and start destination is main fragment. If I want to switch the destination, select detail fragment, right click and say set as start destination. You can confirm this by going to the text mode and see start destination is detail fragment. We switch it to main fragment. Now connect these two destinations through the visual graphic editor. Drag and drop until it shows detail fragment selected, and then release the cursor. This adds an action which we can confirm in the text mode. As you can see, the action is added with the ID action main fragment to detail fragment. Our navigation graph is now ready. In the next video, we'll modify the activity to host the navigation.